everyone, welcome to today's video. Happy Friday. Today we're going to do an unboxing and also a first impressions. I guess it was a little bit ago, but I filmed myself putting on some of the makeup I received in this box, so I will insert clips. Before we get started, I just want to take a moment and say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes. I open them most days of the week here on our channel, so if you love them too, I'd absolutely love it if you subscribe. That would mean so much to me. So we are opening Boxycharm Premium. I don't know if I added that premium part to it. I did already open the Boxy Luxe for September, so they're seasonal subscriptions. Sorry, I keep looking down to my cats right there. And I will link that down below if you guys missed that one. So this is the premium, so this is monthly and it's $35, so it's $10 more than their base box. And now Emmy's rubbing against a tripod. Come here, baby girl. Why do you always do that? So here's the box. Open. And I will link Boxycharm down below if you're interested. I do pay for this box myself. And it's all kind of a mess right now because I took out like the bubble wrap or whatever they sent it with, and I also opened some of the items. So the theme is BTS, or behind the scenes, and I think the variation I have is 212 or 9212. I don't know. I still haven't really figured that out. So in Boxycharm Premium we get like 6 to 8 products, I believe, right? Let's start with what I tried. So the first thing I tried, so I only got 3 sprays last month from Boxycharm, so I'm so glad they sent another this month. Okay, I know, obviously being sarcastic, but I did try this one. I did not try the other ones. Something just made me want to do it, probably because I was doing a try-on portion of this video. But I think I like this. I should put some more on. So this is by Bloom Effect. It's the Tulip Dew Mist, Hydrating Mist. And they say this is a multitasking spray. Can you see? Sorry, it's a little reflective. And you can use it as a primer, which I did. And the mist was amazing. It's such a light, fine mist, and it covered my face just fine. And it did leave a dewy look. I need to look at the footage and be like, was I already dewy or what? But I did use powder products today, so let's put it to the test. Here. Do you guys even see that? I think maybe a little bit, but it says hold it like 6 to 8 inches away. It feels so nice. Like, I think you can already see like the dew, but like not droplets, right? Again, I'll have to see. Look at this dark makeup in my braid and casual outfit, but $34. That's a lot of money. It says it's made with a eco-conscious BOV technology. I don't know what that means, but anyway, so far I'm liking this. Let's see what you guys think. But yeah, that's a lot of facial sprays from like 30-day period. Oh, I should put some more of this on. I don't have any other lip product on, but when I was getting ready, I put the Hey Honey Trick and Treat Lip Balm. This is a berry balm with natural tint. And it does provide a little bit of a tint. I think I just forgot to put other lip products on because my eyes are bolder than usual. So, yeah, just a lip balm. They say to apply it with your fingers. I didn't the first time. Here, I'll just put some on the back of my hand. So, yeah, there's a little bit of a tint. And I think I like it. My lips look a little dry. Like, it feels nice, but they still look dry up close. I don't really know why. I didn't use my scrub. I have a lip scrub in the shower. I think I got my Boxy Luxe. I didn't use that today for some reason. I used it yesterday, but yeah. So it does a little bit of a tint. I like it. I like the color. And it feels nice, but again, it doesn't really take away the dryness. I'm getting too up close, aren't I? And then I believe this is what I chose, and this is the Fenty Beauty, one of their little snap palettes. I knew they were probably small, but I didn't know they were this teeny. Like, and this is their palette number 6. I think they're numbered, right? Yeah, this is 6. And this is a smoky palette, and it is smoky, and I liked it. So I did do some swatches, and I showed you it up close, but here's again. So I used almost all the shades but one, I think. I had to use this shimmer here. It's really pretty. It's like blue, like a midnight blue with like gold flecks in it or something. I don't know. I'm not used to wearing this one makeup. It's like very fall, which is appropriate. I mean, it's September now, so it's officially fall, right? Or almost. I mean, it's still hot where I live, but it always is. But I've been wearing very minimal makeup, so I feel like this is really fun. And it is Friday, and it makes me want to go out, but I don't have any plans. There's like this music festival in Fort Myers, but I don't have anyone to go with. I'm like, should I just go alone? I don't know. It's an internal debate going on with me right now. But let's move on. So yeah, my thoughts on that. I like it. I thought everything performed well. I wish I still had the swatches on my hand. I remembered I was going to do that because I was going to try out the next product. But yeah, so I really like the shimmer. I guess I don't know, I should talk more about that, shouldn't I? But yeah, everything performed well, that's all I have to say. First impressions, I like it, and I love the size of it. It makes me want to get more, especially since I liked how this performed, because I really like small palettes, and it was really easy to do. I did the whole entire look in like 8 minutes or something like that. Because when there's only 6 shadows, it's just like so simple. You don't have to think too much. Like they do the color story and everything for you. I mean, obviously they always do the color story for you, but they like just make it easy to do a quick look. There's probably not too many different looks you could do with it. Maybe like 3. I mean, maybe, yeah, there are at least a few. There's enough shades to do multiple looks, but also keep it simple for people that just need a little help or are feeling a little lazy or something. But I meant to keep the swatches on my hands so I could use this eye makeup remover. This is by Laura Mercier. I really like the packaging of this. It's one of those like biphasic like oil and water-based cleanser, so you have to like shake it up and then you use it. But I like how it looks, and it's supposed to be soothing, so if you have like sensitive eyes, it's supposed to help. It's dermatologist tested and ophthalmologist tested, so I will definitely be using this. And one thing I think I'm going to pass on, because when I was putting my makeup away yesterday, actually, I actually filmed like day in the life vlog, which will be coming up probably tomorrow, depending on when I get it edited. Sometime this weekend though. I put away all my makeup in my makeup drawers. I have my Alex drawers in here now, and I have so many face palettes and highlight palettes and stuff. I never reach for them, so I was like, even though I want to put this on my face so bad, I'm like, no, I need to use the ones I have and pass this on to someone else. I'll probably listen on Mercari or something, but this is by Beauty Bakery. It's the Milk and Honey Highlighter Palette, and it looks really pretty. So the outside, super cute, and there's 4 shades inside, so like seriously, look at this, honeycombed in, and so I don't even know if I'd be able to use all of the shades, first of all, and I just never reach for face palettes, so I'm gonna pass this one on. If you guys got this, how does it perform? Let us know, please. Give me some FOMO probably, but that's okay. I hope you guys love it. And then the last thing in here is something I used to have. I didn't use it today because it requires a battery. Why am I giggling like such? I don't have any. I have AA batteries on my shopping list, and this requires one of them. I was like thinking about it. I'm like, what can I take batteries out of? I'm like, I can't. Most of my things are like chargeable batteries now, but this is by Complex Culture, which is actually Ipsy's brand, which I guess now owns Boxycharm. So that's probably why we're starting to see Complex Culture in there. But I used to have this, but I think I accidentally ruined it. Like I left it in water somehow. But this is a face tool, and I love this when I got it. I like did it in my face contours, and it vibrates, and I feel like it helps with depuffing and shapes your face a bit. So I'm super excited to try this out. I actually used my gua sha today that I received in, was that a Boxylux? Where did I receive my gua sha from? I don't know, but I got a gua sha recently, a jade one, and I used that today. So I'm like getting into the beauty tools again. It's been a while, but I remember really liking this. I like how it looks, rose gold and pink. So I just do like that. I think you could do it on your fine lines too, like, and it can help your oil or your, yeah, like facial oils or serums absorb better. Was that everything? Did I just fly through this? Did I even talk very eloquently? I don't know. I feel like I'm just not fully on my game, but I guess some of you guys like these quicker videos, don't you? I hope you do. Earlier today I worked out for the first time forever. It was like a 7-minute workout video. Like, don't give me too much credit, but afterwards I took a nap. I like don't usually nap during the day. I don't like doing that because I feel like it just throws me off. Like I wake up all groggy, but I feel okay. Because I woke up and I played with this makeup. So final thoughts. I really like the Fenty palette. I actually like this Dew Mist. How is it doing? I'm a little sweaty, I can tell, but I think I like it. The lip balm, I do like this. I like that it's a little bit of a tint and it's natural looking. So far so good. I need to try this Laura Mercier product. I do like the Complex Culture. I already know that I tried it. I'm probably going to give away the highlight palette, but overall that's like a lot of products to like and keep for myself. Like, especially lately I've been like giving away a lot of things and stuff because I moved and now I'm here, but overall, I'm happy with it. You guys have to let me know what you guys got in your Boxy Premium. Are we box twins? If not, what did you get? Are you happy with it? If you don't get Boxy, what do you think of my box? I would love to hear from you. And what are you doing this weekend? I hope you guys have more plans than I do and have a blast. I mean, even if you don't, we can always find some fun things to do. Like, let me know if there's any good YouTube videos out or movies I should watch from home tonight or this weekend. But yeah, that's it today, guys. I love you so much. I'm so grateful for each and every one of you. And yeah, stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you super soon. Bye, guys.